Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. Here is an informative tutorial on how to create a Python program to find the perimeter of a rectangle. A rectangle is a four-sided polygon where the opposite sides are equal in length and the angles are right angles, 90 degrees. The perimeter of a rectangle is the total distance around its outer edge and is calculated by adding the lengths of all four sides. To find the perimeter of a rectangle, you can use the formula perimeter equals 2 asterisk, length plus width. Here is a Python program that takes user input for the length and width of a rectangle and calculates its perimeter. In this program, 1. We define a function calculate_perimeter that takes the length and width of a rectangle as input, calculates the perimeter using the formula, and returns the result. 2. We take user input for the length and width of the rectangle. 3. We call the calculate_perimeter function with the user provided length and width values to calculate the perimeter. 4. Finally, we display the calculated perimeter of the rectangle. You can run this program in a Python environment to find the perimeter of a rectangle based on user input.